Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Atom Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box. You can either join our brand new website with more benefits actually and discounts. You can either join our Patreon /Mind Your Crypto, buy me a coffee /Mind Your Crypto, anything you like. You can ask me anything you want on Telegram. I have the link in the description as well, and you will get an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will be able to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, Pine scripts for TradingView, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into the risk metrics for Atom. And right now what we have right here is that we are getting down with the commodity channel index. We had a high risk right here. That's why we are correcting a little bit right now. And of course though, the stochastic RSI is going into an oversold situation while the price is going a little bit down, but we do not have this major correction right here. Okay. So therefore, what we want to see with Atom is if we can go even higher on the short term. Where can we go? Can we go potentially into an all-time high for Atom and so on? On the daily frame, we can see that we have a little bit of a low risk actually on the stochastic RSI, okay? But at the same time, we had actually a high risk with the commodity channel index. That's the reason now we are correcting a little bit. We are down -6% over this day actually today. And yesterday we were plus 11.58%, okay? But this doesn't mean anything right now. We do not have any bearish situation right now for Atom. As we're going to Atom against Bitcoin chart, we want to find some important resistance levels. And what I have here for Atom against Bitcoin chart is that this might be playing out and we might be getting even there to Atom against Bitcoin, I think. But let's see some important resistance levels as well, drawing the Fibonacci from this top to this bottom right here down. You can see that this area right there is a very strong resistance level area, the 0.786. We were just a little bit above the 0.786, but then we corrected, okay? So this line, this blue line, is a very strong line. If we can manage to go upwards again, we might be making a higher high with Atom against Bitcoin chart as well, okay? But for now, for the time being, we are correcting. It is nothing to be scared and afraid of for the time being, but we need to get the stochastic RSI into an oversold situation. For me, stochastic RSI will probably be getting into an oversold situation, and this is why we are going down as well, because we are correcting against Bitcoin right now. All right, so therefore, that is one of the reasons that we are going down. Stochastic RSI, though, on the daily into an oversold situation. That means too many sellers have stepped in and we need buyers to come in as well. Let's check the Bollinger Bands as well. We had a nice impulsive wave right here over these last few days for Atom against Bitcoin chart. You can see 29 December and so on. We were pretty bullish, and now we just made here a higher high than the previous high back on 24 September, because we are nowhere near the all-time high for Atom against Bitcoin, but at the same time we made some good huge progress right there. The fact here is that we do not want to get a daily to cover the whole candlestick right there. It would be nice if we get a daily bearish candlestick. It is okay, but at the middle, around the middle actually of the previous body of the candlestick, and of course we can either grow even higher. You can see right now we were just riding the top line of the Bollinger Bands. This is what it happens when we have an impulsive wave, okay? But in a normal market, when we approach the top line, we are having a sell condition right there. But right now with the Atom against Bitcoin chart on the daily, we cannot understand anything. On Atom against Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame though, we can understand some better things right there. And this is what I was telling you, okay? Once we approach the top, we are going back down to the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, and we have a buying pressure again and again. And here we are now riding the 20-day exponential moving average. For me, it would be the best for Atom against Bitcoin chart if we could write the Atom against Bitcoin chart right here, the 20-day exponential moving average, this yellow line, and we could manage to go even higher. If we could manage actually to go higher than this line right here and have a bank pressure and do not go down, further down for Atom against Bitcoin chart, this would be massive. Okay, in the meantime though, let's see some important resistance levels we have to break, drawing the Fibonacci retracement from the top we had back on 17 January 2022 to the bottom on 17 January 2022 as well, but a few hours later, because we are on the 4-hour frame. That means every candlestick you are seeing represents 4 hours price action. And here we have one very important resistance level for me is the 0.618 and the 0.786. Breaking above those lines will get us to new highs for Atom and possibly even higher than the 7th January. Let's go to Atom against USDT on price analysis right now, as we are going a little bit down from the 20-day May. Is this bearish? No, it is not. Okay, we have done this the same right here on 15th January. Also had a pretty bearish candlestick right there, but we managed to go even higher. We have a correction going on with -4% in just 4 hours. Okay, this was a huge correction right here, mainly with Bitcoin start price action. Okay, so you can see on the 4-hour frame, on the last few hours, Bitcoin is a little bit unstable right there. But at the same time, Atom against USDT was losing its momentum against Bitcoin chart. That's the reason, again, we had this price action of Atom against USDT. Are we bearish right now? No, I wouldn't say so. Of course, this could be actually the bottom as well. But we are going to see some support levels in which Atom could find a huge buying pressure. I do believe that Atom, if it were to go, I do not say that it will, but if it were to go to the 39.22, I'm not sure if it will do this, but if it goes to 39.26, around 22.26 and 39.79 around here, okay, then we could have a buying pressure again and we could go even higher. For the time being, we have the 43.73 as our major resistance level in the short term, and if we close above that, then I think it's all over. Atom is going to fly. Okay, it's going to next targets, which can be even to the 48.50 Tether USD and more to the next price targets as well. Okay, but in the meantime, we do not want to see Bitcoin crashing down. This would be devastating for Atom, but I have good news for Bitcoin as well. We are going to the stochastic are saying an oversold. We are getting the Fisher transform as well into -2, below -2. So this is a good thing for Bitcoin as we are seeing the price floating sideways. I really hope that we do not see this incredible crash right here. The commodity channel index is also in an oversold situation. So a strong Bitcoin will help Atom as well to go even higher towards the next price target. It will help to push the price even higher. Okay, I'm very optimistic that we can manage to go into the 50 Tether USD or so, around the 48 to 50 Tether USD, around there. Okay, and I think that around this area right here, we might be afterwards correcting. We will see about that, this whole rectangle. Okay, so this is our resistance line right there, and I think that if we go there for Atom, I think that we are about to correct a little bit, to have a little bit of a correction afterwards, and therefore we will see. At the same time though, look at how many times we have found the 44 to 46 around there, Tether USD to 45, sorry, as a resistance level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, so maybe the 6th will be the best time here, and Atom can even go potentially even higher into our next price targets. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Today we have on the weekly frame the gems, altcoin gems right there. So do not miss this chance for this week. Okay, we are presenting many altcoin gems, and join us. You can cancel anything you like, but you won't regret it. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.